shine it on this. So this is an Ej22T rocker assembly, and these are the HLAs. As you can see, this one, my motor was ticking. This one has no oil in it. And if we pull one out right here, gotta just pry ever so slightly. Come on, come on, there it comes. This one is solid. It has a little check bulb there, and there's still oil in this one, so we're not going to need to bleed that one. But this one, we stick it here in the bath of oil, kind of push on it with our finger. I don't know if you can see it. Tap on the screen. And then I push here. See the air? We bleed the air out, and slowly but surely it gets solid again. Got a little bit more to bleed. We pull it out, and it's solid. Then come over here. Jump down there. And that's the head without the rocker assembly. Surprisingly easy to get to.